Hi friends, let me show you this new heavy duty dog carry crate that I received for reviewing purposes. Let me put it together. That's it. You have your pets, your dog crate ready to have your pets in it. Okay, you can open it from the top like this. You can secure it really easily. Okay, you can lock the wheels so it won't move around, it will stay where you want. It's easy to bring your pets inside. Let me show you. Double door system. Okay, you can open up a small door or a large door depending on your pet's size. Okay, you also have this tray to to get all the pets debris or whatever they do there. As you can see, you can fit large sized dogs or 2 or 3 medium sized dogs. Okay, they will be comfortable if you need to move them around or to keep them away if you are going to do some work in your patio or you want to protect them from an activity that you are doing in your home. They will be comfortable here, and if you have a large house and you need your pets to be comfortable put away, this is a great option to do it. You can open the big door or just the small door. Come on, Milo. Perfect. And you have this tray here to clean it up really easily.